Welcome to the world of culinary delights. Today we're unveiling an amazing spicy grilled shrimp recipe. Let's dive right in. Start with 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of sesame oil, and 1/4 cup of freshly chopped parsley. To this, add 2 tablespoons of hot sauce and the same amount of minced garlic. Throw in a tablespoon of ketchup and Asian chili paste each. Season with a teaspoon of salt and black pepper, and finish with a splash of lemon juice. 3 tablespoons to be precise. Mix these ingredients well, setting aside 1/3 of the marinade for grilling later. Now it's time for the star of the dish. 2 pounds of large shrimp, peeled and deveined. Place them in a large resealable plastic bag and pour in the remaining marinade. Let them bathe in this flavorful mix for 2 hours in the refrigerator. When it's grilling time, preheat your outdoor grill for high heat. Then thread the marinated shrimp onto soaked wooden skewers, piercing once near the tail and once near the head. Discard any remaining marinade. Lightly oil your grill grate and grill the shrimp for 2 minutes per side until opaque, basting frequently with the marinade we set aside earlier. And there you have it, a spicy grilled shrimp recipe that's sure to delight. Enjoy!